Hi, I'm Linda. I'm from the UK, in Plymouth. I guess my journey first started about a year ago when I had my teeth done in Antalya. A beautiful place, and they did such an amazing job. It's sort of prompted me to start thinking about perhaps having my eyes done and a lower facelift. And after months and months of just looking on Google and looking at various people who'd had it done, I kept thinking about it and then dismissing the idea. And suddenly I found I had 2 weeks leave from work, and I thought to myself, if I'm going to do it, I'll do it now. So it was an impulsive thing. I didn't tell anybody. I just called a friend, and the next thing I was on my flight here. I booked through Medlife. I looked at them several times, and I'd watched quite a few interviews like this. And I liked this hotel. So that's one of the main reasons that I chose to come here. It was very daunting, you know, coming on the flight, and I felt quite nervous. I didn't know what to expect, how much pain there might be, but actually there was hardly any pain at all. I think the most daunting thing was waking up from surgery. Prior to the surgery, everything was fine. There's limousines that pick you up and drop you off everywhere. The company take care of all of that. And you have interpreters that take care of you, so you don't have to worry about language. And they came with me to the pre-op and put me at ease. And then once I woke up from the surgery, it was just a matter of recovery. They always say the first 3 days are the worst. I think day 3 was probably when I got the most swelling. From day 3 onwards, the swelling tends to go down. So every day I'm looking in the mirror, checking myself. I remember thinking I looked Chinese. But again, you know, the pain was minimal. I was so surprised. I thought, you know, perhaps I'd be in agony or something, but not at all. I stupidly stayed in my room for 3 days with my face all swollen. I didn't feel like I could face people. But when I eventually took the courage and came down for breakfast, I saw everybody else having breakfast, all in the same situation as me, either from having surgery on their face or other aspects of their body. And it was such a relief to meet everyone. And apparently, you know, Izmir is so famous for having all types of surgery. It's quite common to see people walking around, you know, with dressings and swellings. So I felt really comfortable, and I got chatting to a couple of Irish ladies who were very kind, and we were laughing and joking, and suddenly all my anxiety left me, and that was great. So here I am now. I've arrived at the point where they've just taken out the stitches in my eyes. Still all very swollen, some bruising, some swelling, but compared to day 1, it's going really, really well. And I feel so happy and confident with the way it's gone. I'm looking forward to my flight tomorrow morning. I know I'm not going to look very good, but apparently they say the whole plane will be full of people in my situation. And yeah, I'd happily come back and have something else done in the future, should I feel it necessary. Hopefully not. I would just like to finish by saying I would highly recommend Medlife, and I just want to say thank you to Medlife for helping me on this journey. It's been brilliant. Thank you.